Every day, so many founders and investors get stuck, trapped in the same old story. Market beta this, passive index that. You're bombarded with noise telling you that tracking the market is the safe bet, that market beta is all there is. Yet deep inside, if you're honest, you feel the weight of frustration crushing you, because playing it safe hasn't delivered the breakthroughs or returns you crave. The truth? Market beta is a broken promise wearing a shiny mask. It's the default path designed for the masses, mediocrity disguised as security. It's slow, predictable, and frankly, it holds you hostage. You're told to accept the market's rhythm, to just ride the waves without question, but that leaves you exposed to the brutal volatility of forces you don't control. You see your capital flailing when the market dips, and you're helpless, watching opportunity slip through your fingers while others quietly build something better. Now, imagine ripping off that blindfold. Fund beta isn't just another fancy term. It's your weapon to reclaim control and fire up real alpha. It's the mindset and the method that breaks free from the mediocre chains of market beta. Instead of mindlessly mirroring the market's ups and downs, fund beta means leaning into alternative sources of value, real partnerships, niche strategies, innovative funds where your capital actually works smarter. You're not a passenger here. You become a co-creator in a fund that's engineered to outperform by design, not by accident. Listen closely. Fund beta is about understanding where the market fails you, where chaos brews beneath the surface, and stepping in with precision. It's about allocating not where the crowd runs, but where sharp minds have uncovered asymmetric opportunities, early-stage ventures, under-the-radar growth strategies, overlooked sectors with explosive upside. It's about cutting through illusions of liquidity and transparent pricing, embracing complexity, and having the guts to own it. The frustration of idle capital, the rage of seeing your portfolio tied to the stock index rollercoaster, fund beta obliterates that pain. It replaces it with a fierce confidence that your money is in something tailored, something human, something that leverages deep relationships and active management to actually grow. You must go deeper. No more surface-level investing or hoping for some mythical market average to save you. Demand from yourself and your partners a laser focus on fund construction that embraces diversification with conviction, with proactive engagement. Fund beta is about rejecting the myth that passive capture equals safety. It's about owning the unpredictable edge born of actively choosing specialized funds with limited correlation to public markets, with flexible mandates that can pivot fast, with managers who aren't afraid to go where others won't. Here's the unfiltered truth you need right now. If you're waiting for some easy pill or index fund to carry you, you're set to fail. The market's illusions are so thick you can't even see the chains. You must be relentless, ruthlessly purposeful. Connect with funds that don't just track market trends, but challenge them. Build your portfolio with funds that operate in alternative spaces: venture capital, private equity, special credit, real assets, places where fund beta becomes your secret weapon. Do this. Purge your complacency. Stop settling for comfort disguised as security. Demand transparency on fund beta strategies, question their correlation profiles, dig into how they generate returns outside typical market swings. Pressure your limited partner relationships to provide real access, real alignment. Insist on partnership models that let you see the levers, influence decisions, accelerate growth. Those who understand fund beta don't just survive market storms. They thrive in their eye, emerging stronger. This is your call to rise above the illusions that bind millions. Market beta is the easy road to stagnation. Fund beta is the fire starter for your breakthrough. The few who dare embrace fund beta don't look back. They build the future others only wish for. Carve your path with conviction. Shatter the mirage of safe, passive returns. Align with funds that hunt for asymmetric gains and harness capital as a tool of transformation, not submission. Don't accept the system's half-truths. Break the cycle. Become the limited partner who moves beyond the market's shadow into a new reality. This is not just a shift in strategy. It's a rebellion against the comfortable lies you've been sold. Your frustration ends the moment you start demanding fund beta. Step into that fire. This is power. This is freedom. This is the future forged by those few who refuse to be chained by market beta's empty promises.